In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Discord. So it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So the first step is just to open your Discord. So make sure that you downloaded it, then just sign in into your account. So the start page looks like this. And after that, all we need is just to go to settings. So in the bottom of the app, go to user settings. So right up here. And after that we'll go to our settings, and now we just need to find our account. So in the left menu, click on my account, and after that here we can see the username. So all we need is just to click on edit right up here. So after that we can choose our current username, so just input something new, so something new username. And after that, to change it, we need to write our current password, so just input it. And then just click on done. So after that, our username will be successfully changed. So as you can see, our username was changed, and it was already changed in our menu or something like this. So this is the way how you can choose your username on Discord. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.